You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Super excited to check out the next set of Got Gross experiments.
Oh boy, LPS-Dave. We're on the journey with these, aren't we?
We sure are. We've gone through 6 experiments.
That's right.
Today we're going to do 3 brand new ones for you.
The first few haven't been too gross.
They haven't been very gross. Well,
This
it was
one-
sticky cleanup. Yeah, I guess in that way it was kind of, you know.
This one I have a feeling is going to be gross.
This one could be gross. Now, we are actually going to do Stink Bubbles, Stink Balloons, and then a glowing Gorss Volcano.
How about that?
Doesn't that sound exciting?
Sounds gross.
All right, so let me get that box out of the way. I'm going to bring everything down here. You're going to have to reposition and get into this nice little scene we got going here. Let's get this out of the way. No need to open that because we've already done it. All right,
Boy, did we
so
ever.
Stink Bubbles. Let me do a little reading here for you because I think I need to kind of go over a few things here. Of course, this is not for eating. It's for smelling.
It's definitely for smelling.
Try making, smell detectors. The nasal passages behind your nose are lined with small detecting nerve cells covered with a layer of mucus. Like that. The cells detect scent molecules that get trapped in the mucus when you inhale. When you blow a stink bubble, the garlic scent molecules stay in the bubble film. When the bubble pops, the stink molecules spread out in the air and go up your nose.
Definitely gross.
Very gross. Now, let's just get some set up here. We need a little of this, little alcohol, rubbing alcohol, a little dish soap, because we're making bubbles. My can. Now, step 1 is to chop up your garlic, all right?
Aha.
So I'm just going to give it a nice little squish.
You are the expert chef, the gourmet. if
Cut
you
up
will.
the ends there.
Making gourmet bubbles here today, everybody.
Yeah, it smells already just from garlic. But I like the smell of garlic, so let's just give it a nice squish down. Now, they suggest a garlic press, but I didn't have one today. So
You don't have a mini garlic press?
I don't. It doesn't say how much. It just says 1 large clove, and I think
That was
I
pretty large.
pretty much have a large
The
clove. don't
stinkier
I?
the better,
Yeah.
LPS-Dave.
Now, when you press it, it kind of just squishes it out a little bit differently.
I
so-
wonder if the bubbles will have chunks of garlic in them as they...
Probably not. I think this is meant to stay on the bottom of your container.
You know what? I got to tell you right now, I'm gagging.
I know. You smell it, right?
That's really strong.
All right, there's my garlic. Wait, let's see. Have your assistant squeeze the garlic into the garbage
That's
can.
me.
Okay, into the garbage can. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Get some tomatoes and some onion. We have a nice little tomato salad going here.
Wow,
huh?
you could make a whole... What do they call that?
A
Caprice?
salad.
Caprese bubbles.
All right, next, place a lid. Okay. Place a lid on the garbage can. I got to put the rubbing alcohol. So I need 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
There must
This is
be
where
s-
you need the adult assistant.
Yeah, there must be some reaction going here.
Careful.
Add the rubbing alcohol to the decanter and stir it with the worm spoon. Okay, here we go.
Careful. Careful.
I'm doing just fine here.
Oh, careful. That was right to the line. That was nice.
That was right to the line. Stir it with the wormy spoon.
Hello,
Oh, look
wormy.
at that. Yeah, so it's making like a slurry in there. Let me sniff it. Oh.
That's going to be really disgusting.
Okay, now it says, place the lid on the gross garbage can and let the mixture sit for 15 minutes.
What?
Let it sit longer for more stink. All right, well, we got to
That's
do what
really
they
going to
say.
stink.
We got to do what they say.
We're going to do that live on video here, LPS-Dave.
Not for 15 minutes. So we will be back after 15 minutes. Set your timer,
And get your smell-o-vision set up, everybody.
and then we will continue on with the process. All right, Butch, we are set. It's been about 16 and a half minutes.
Whew. That thing's really brewing in there, LPS-Dave. I'm nervous about
It
you
sure
taking the
is.
lid off.
I will take the lid off just so that we could take a look at it. Now I'll waft it. Can I waft it towards you? It's wafting. Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Next step. Remove the lid and add the dish soap. Okay, dish soap. 1
Does
tablespoon.
it say soap there?
It does. 1 tablespoon of dish soap.
Oh, boy.
Good job. You did it just
How
right.
about that, huh?
Well, you're on your game.
Right on the nose. Now, that's a scented dish soap, so that would kill some of the garlic smell.
Yeah, it might. It might. Okay, next is, okay, dish soap and water. Stir the bubble solution.
And the water, LPS-Dave.
Yes, and the water. That's what I just said. I'm just kind of waiting for this to go. So 5 table spoons. Table spoons, are you ready?
Correct.
Here we go. You ready to count? You are the official scientific counter.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I have to show everybody inside. Don't lose where you're at because there's little chunkies floating inside there. See the chunkies in there? And then this is
number 5.
okay. All right. So that's all off to the side. There we go.
Oh, I can't wait to
Stir
see
the
what
bubble
happens.
solution very gently with the worm spoon. You don't want suds.
No suds.
Is that gentle enough?
Don't
for
want
you?
no suds, LPS-Dave.
Don't want no suds. Don't want no suds. Yeah. Okay.
Got to treat it with TLC.
Dip the bubble wand into your bubble solution and blow some bubbles. Have an unsuspecting victim?
Oh boy.
How about your adult assistant?
I might need to leave for a little while,
Okay.
LPS-Dave.
Are you ready to
Is
make
it break time?
It is not break time.
Lunchtime?
It is bubble time. Well, let's just see if we even get a bubble, huh? Okay, it's on there. Ooh, it made a bubble. It didn't fly away, but it was a bubble. Oh, right to you.
Oh.
Let me sniff this.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it is a little pungent.
When the bubble breaks, it goes, LPS-Dave.
It's definitely pungent. And it makes good bubbles, too. Well,
I don't know.
What do you
not so
think?
Sure.
you're not too
That's
sure?
disgusting.
Is it?
If you sprayed that towards someone and the bubble burst right near them, and it would just be like, okay, who dealt it?
Even with that soap and the alcohol, the pungent scent of the garlic comes through.
Oh, it's wafting.
All right, so experiment with the proportions of soap and water to get the best bubbles, or use pre-mixed bubble solution. So you can get your own bubble solution, throw some garlic in there, and do the same experiment. All right, we're going to come back now. We are going to make a stink balloon. That is the next one.
99 stink balloons, LPS-Dave.
99 stink balloons. No, we're just going to make one. All right, Butch, experiment number 2.
Number 2.
Stink balloons. Now, this one's going to be tough because you actually have to put the balloon, say, behind your bed for a while. And then it excretes the garlic smell through the pores of the balloon somehow.
I don't think it would make a difference in my room, LPS-Dave.
Probably not. All right, diffusion. So we're learning about diffusion.
Very nice. Not confusion.
No. The balloon's skin is full of molecule-sized holes or pores. Let's check
Really?
your skin out.
I can't believe that.
I guess they are. They do eventually let the air out. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh, that's the dog.
I get that.
That's
Never heard
why
that before.
balloons deflate over time. Oh, there we answer our own question. As the garlic smell molecules spread out inside the balloon, some of them pass through the pores. Over time, the stink seeps out into the air into the room.
Oh, this will be a fun practical joke trick, won't it, LPS-Dave?
It sure will. All right, so step 1. Have your adult assistant squeeze garlic into the gross garbage can. I wish I had a garlic press. No, I don't have a garlic press.
Oh, Christmas is coming, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, maybe you want to get that for Christmas for me, a garlic press, huh? I just chop it up real fine and smush it like that.
You are the gourmet.
I am the gourmet.
Look at you go. Careful.
I'll cut it paper thin this time, so we got. I see the oils secreting. What you really want is those oils secreting.
Right through the little balloon.
Wow, it's like old times with my Lucky Mini Food stuff, huh?
Yeah. I see the kitchen's been firing up lately again, LPS-Dave.
Well, I've been taking videos from that channel, kind of moving them over because there's just a lot going on with YouTube right now. I've been having weekly and bi-weekly meetings with YouTube.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't know YouTube actually had people.
They do, and I have
Shocking.
someone that I can talk to there.
Very nice. Like a therapist of some kind?
No, not like a therapist. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That looks tasty. Remember tomato salad with garlic? Okay, we're not making salad and we cannot eat this, okay?
Basil.
All right, have your adult, okay. Measure water in the biohazard container. Okay. And pour it in the gross garbage can. So this is a half a cup. There's not many ingredients in this one.
Half a cup. I can really smell that garlic, though, LPS.
Anybody can make this at home. You don't need this kit for this.
Mm-hmm.
You were pretty close. Oh. I'll give you a 1/16 of an inch there.
Oh.
Okay.
It measured just over a half on the
Richter scale. Ooh, it barely fits. Okay, and then it says, stir the mixture with your worm spoon.
Mm-hmm. Good old Wormy. Mm-hmm. He comes in handy. He's pretty much a part of every one of these, isn't he?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Insert the small end of the funnel. Yeah, that would be good.
Ouch.
We don't want to put the big end in here. That would be hard to do. Into the mouth of the balloon as far as it will go. Okay, and I guess. I mean, there's not much more we can do here. Mm-hmm. Carefully pour the garlic water mixture into the balloon. Well,
chunks and all, huh?
I don't know how I'm going to get all of that in here. Maybe they wanted like a 12-inch balloon. We'll have to get some in there. Mm-hmm. Then be sure to hold the neck tight around the funnel mouth and don't spill any garlic outside of the balloon.
Oh, definitely.
All right, here, we're going to get some going here. And then
careful.
Yeah, it's filling up. Do you hear that?
Oh, boy.
Well, see the chunks of garlic going in there?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Good thing it's a wide mouth funnel there, LPS-Dave. No jam-ups.
No jam-ups. Mm-hmm. Here's what I want to do.
Oh, boy.
No, we're okay. I was going to stop here anyway. And I want to pour some of this liquid out. I think the size balloon that would hold all of that
had to be pretty big.
Yeah, I want some more chunks of garlic. That's what I want in there. Less water, more garlic.
Huh. That's my motto in life, LPS-Dave.
Okay, now let's see if we can get them chunks. A little less water. And oh, yeah, here we go.
Oh,
okay.
Boy.
There we go. It's okay that the water's leaking. I'm okay with that.
Can you get the chunks in, though? That's the question.
I'm going to do my best. Okay, there's some stuck in there, but I think we got most of them. Mm-hmm. Now, keeping the balloon upright, remove the funnel and then blow up the balloon.
What?
Here we go. So
that's disgusting.
I got to put my mouth on this garlic water. Mm-hmm. All right, here we go.
Uh-huh.
There we go.
Oh, nicely done. Did you get a chunk?
Oh. Mm-hmm. Let me see if I can squeeze a little bit more in there. Hold on. I want to get that huge chunk of garlic in there.
Oh, boy.
Don't escape.
You're going to have to blow it up again.
I will. There we go.
Oh, gross.
Look at that. You hear it in there?
Oh, do I ever.
Okay. I'll get a little bit more air. I wish they would have said get a giant 40-inch balloon.
Uh-huh. One of those big punching balloons, I think, would be best.
Yeah, I had one, too. Let's mix that up a little bit. Now, hide the balloon behind the sofa. That's going to go behind your bed, I guess. Here, I'll set it up there so we can kind of see what's in there. I'm going to clean up now, and then we will...
It'll actually be back there with all of my real garlic that I keep back there.
Oh,
so
that's disgusting.
I don't think the smell will really come through.
And then we're going to jump on to experiment number 3, and then, of course, like all the other videos, we're going to have you vote on which one you think you would like to do. We'll be right back. All right, the final experiment is called Glowing Gorss Volcano.
The growing gloss volcano.
Acids and bases have an explosive fizzy reaction. So we're doing the carbon dioxide reaction. When you mix baking soda and vinegar, a chemical reaction occurs, releasing a carbon dioxide gas in the air at a very rapid rate. To the human eye, it looks like an explosion. In this case, the explosions glow because of the glow powder and fluorescent ink.
I've had that very same thing happen in my belly, LPS-Dave.
Okay. All right. Well, that's good to know. All right, so what we need to do now is set up a slime stand with 2 bubble beakers, set up another slime stand with 2 test tubes.
What I'm noticing is that most of these experiments have happened in my stomach at some point.
Probably.
Continue.
Using the funnel, pour glow powder and 1.5 teaspoons baking soda into 1 beaker. Let's get this out of the way.
A bubble beaker. Bubble beaker.
Let's get the glow powder. How much glow powder? Oh, 2 scoops, and that's the little scooper thingy. Now, we've used this before. And 2 scoops. Here we go. Uno.
That was a heaping one. That was good.
Yeah. Doso.
Nice.
Okay. That is done. And then 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda.
Very interesting.
Okay, it doesn't say. I won't heap on this one. There's one.
1 teaspoon.
I might have to work that a little bit, huh? Tap that down. Okay, it's all out of there.
It's a little
It's
reluctant.
like a sand timer. That's
Like
okay.
sands through the hourglass.
Yeah, there's one. And that worked pretty good. And then a half.
Oh, going with the chef style.
Yeah, I don't have a half handy.
Eyeball it.
There we go. We eyeballed that.
Don't put it near your eyeballs, kids.
No eating. None of this is for eating. Okay. Now it says mix well. Okay, mix well and set aside. Let's get this out of the way.
I wondered why they didn't have you use the old worm mixer. That wouldn't work in there.
Yeah,
would
the
it?
wormy no go well with the beakery. Okay. Using the funnel. Oh, we did that. Set the funnel in the other bubble beaker. Okay.
Bubble beaker, bubble beaker, bubble beaker, bubble beaker.
Okay.
Got it.
Trying to clean that out there. It looks like we're going to probably put the liquids here and then the powders and ingredients here, right?
Okay.
Set the funnel in the other bubble beaker. Pour in the water and add a few drops of fluorescent ink. So water, we need 1 tablespoon of water.
Got it.
Let's get the vinegar out of the way. We don't need that right now. 1 tablespoon. Are you ready?
Careful. 1!
Okay, and then 1 drop of the ink.
1 drop. I wondered if all this stuff would last. It seems like it's lasting, LPS-Dave, through all the experiments.
Okay. Yeah, I was wondering too.
Nice.
Oh, add a few drops. I thought it said 1 drop, but I'm going to do a few just to have that extra little colorage going. That's an air bubble. 2. Okay, good. Then add the remaining 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda and mix well. So I need another 1.5 teaspoons in here. And then mix that.
So curious.
I kind of see what's going to happen here.
What's going to happen? Tell me, tell me, tell me, tell me.
It's going to make a nice mixture of liquid. And then when one's going to glow and one is going to be fluorescent, right?
Really?
Yeah.
We're going to turn the lights off again?
We will have to before we mix these. Okay, and then let me just use my tool.
Handy little guy there.
It is. That's why they give it to you.
Seems like it's harder to do after it's been wet there.
Yes, they probably should have had the powder go in, but we were just following the directions, everybody. Don't be mad.
Half tablespoon. Teaspoon.
Yes. You had me scared there for a
Don't
second.
do a tablespoon.
No, don't do a tablespoon. And mix well. Okay, so let's get this in here.
I wonder if this is going to make a mess of some kind, LPS-Dave.
Well, they do call it a volcano, so
And gross.
yes. I think these are less gross and more just exciting to watch.
Good point. Those stinky ones were pretty gross, I have to say.
That was. It does stink like garlic in here.
I wonder if you'd add garlic to this experiment, if that would be fun.
You probably could.
The garlic volcano.
Stinky garlic. Okay, there we go. All right. Measure 1 tablespoon of vinegar into each of the test tubes.
Test tubes, got it.
Are you ready for this part?
Am I ready?
Now, I'm not going to actually mix anything together with the lights on, so we're going to have to make an adjustment here. I might even bring in the black light just to add a little thermal excitement.
Wow. This is getting exciting by the minute. More and more and more exciting.
Well, I'm glad. I'm glad you're having fun with all these experiments.
I love experimenting, LPS-Dave.
You do?
It's fun. I just never know what's going to happen. I never have any clue as to what's going to happen with these.
Yeah, neither do I, but now I kind of think I need the funnel again, so let me tap out any extra residuals here. We don't want that to have an initial effect.
Oh, it might pre-react.
All right, there we go. 1 tablespoon of vinegar in each one.
Interesting.
All
I hope I
right.
got you enough,
got here-
LPS,
well, we
Dave.
might have
I'm
to get a
not
little
sure.
more.
Uh-oh.
There we go. steady. Oh, basically.
Whoa.
Right up to the... It's too much.
It's too much. Well, that worked out well.
I think we'll have just enough.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just go like this.
How about that?
Okay. Okay, it says charge the beaker containing glow powder with the black light activator. Turn off the lights. What's happening?
Oh.
Pour 1 test tube of vinegar into the glow powder beaker. What happens? Pour the second tube of vinegar into another, blah, blah, blah. What did you hear?
What did you hear?
Which volcano is more exciting?
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
All right, so let's get the black light out, huh? We're gonna. But they want me to charge. What do they want me to charge? The glow powder, which is this one. All right, so we're gonna bring in our big black light because that's always the best. Come back and then pour these while the black light is on, right?
Yeah, that little guy doesn't stand a chance. Does
No, this doesn't do enough. We'll be right back. All right, are you ready, Butch?
Boy, LPS-Dave, I'm ready.
Now, this one here on the right is actually being charged, but when you turn off the light, it doesn't last very long. I'll give it a quick off so we can see. See, it's charged? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we are now ready to pour. Which
Well,
one
that was amazing. That's the end of the experiment, right, LPS-Dave? That was amazing.
No, that was just showing that it's charged, but I need to leave the black light on because the camera has a hard time staying.
There's more.
Yes, now we'll take these test tubes out of the way so we can focus on the experiments at hand. All right, so which one do you want to do first?
Boy, I'm going to leave that one up to you. You are the science master general.
All right, well, let's do the glowing one that's closest to me first. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Whoa. Whoa.
Now, that was pretty interesting.
It sure bubbled.
I'm glad we put a tray down to capture everything. All right.
Look at it glowing still.
It does. It's glowing on my tray. We'll show everybody that in just a second. Are you ready for number 2?
Always ready for number 2.
Oh, that was really cool. Now, I like that one the best.
Wow, look at it growing.
Let me show the table here with the tray where everything is. You can see how it's seeping around. Oh, we might have to do something with that.
Wow.
Huh? Let's take these out of the way. Let's just pour it on the tray. Huh? You can keep it all encapsulated right here.
Tray, you may as well.
Let me get this a little...
Oh, boy.
Okay, now that can be gross now. Getting your hands in that.
Look at that.
Here we go. This one here.
Oh.
All right.
Wow.
That is experiment number 3. Let me just zoom into that a little bit.
That's pretty gross, LPS-Dave.
It is. It kind of looks a little chunky there, huh? Ooh, I'm doing some artwork here. All right, I'll tell you what. We're going to come back now, get the lights on. Our experiment number 3 will stay in the tray, and we'll just recap everything. Pretty cool.
It's beautiful, LPS-Dave.
It is. All right, Butch. 3 experiments under our belt.
In the can, if you will.
In the can.
This doesn't look quite as exciting as it did in the dark here, LPS-Dave.
It does not. So the first one was Stinky Bubbles. So everybody who likes Stinky Bubbles, take that poll. Because they do stink.
Hey, look at that. They're just hanging out right there.
Yeah, they're sticking
volcano.
to the air. And if you want to make your own bubbles, now you know how. Just follow.
Get your garlic.
Yeah, and follow my recipe. No, you don't have to use garlic. And then here is our balloon. Let me sniff this here. Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, boy.
It definitely smells like garlic.
Alrighty.
I'm going to leave that one in your bedroom there. And then the last one there was the volcano. So which of the 2 on the volcano did you like the most? There's actually 2 experiments there.
Well, definitely the second one, LPS-Dave.
But we'll still put up 3 options. Look at that.
Wow.
Now, if you want to see all the other videos we've done so far, so there's 2 other videos, each with 3 experiments.
Yes, so that makes a total of 70.
And we have a lot more to go. So look in that description, click on those. Please, if you can help us out tremendously, it would help us out greatly if you can watch those other videos and stick in the channel for a little bit. How about this?
Yeah.
Make a commitment. Okay. A Lucky Penny Shop commitment.
Let's make a covenant here as fans and...
If you go onto YouTube and start with our channel, stay there a little while, would you? Please, please, before you click off on something else, it would really help us out. And if you're actually on YouTube already and watching something else, go find some of our videos. It would really help us out.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, vote on which is your favorite. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.